Just accept. I am stressed. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Because people sometimes feel like, oh, I don't know what to say while tapping. This is the best magical thing. First, take a sip of water. Take few deep breaths. Do it. After that, also take a few deep breaths. Take a sip of water. And 1 minute alchemist is same. Within 1 minute, you can reduce your stress level. Just
How do EFT and 1 minute alchemist contribute to a rapid transformation and healing? Can you share any specific instances or a small technique which has particularly have been very effective in your practice journey?
EFT is emotional freedom technique. It's a renowned practice. Most of us know, but just by simply tapping few meridian points, you can within a few minutes you can reduce your stress level from 10. 3 is enough, but most of the time people go to 0. And in this fast life, a lot of people a lot of time get stressful because of various reasons. And it's a simple tapping, like even if you don't know anything, I like to give you one magic mantra today. If you don't know anything, just I said, na, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Just accept. I am stressed. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. The caller, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You don't know anything about EFT because people sometimes feel like, oh, I don't know what to say while tapping. This is the best magical thing. If we'll mix Ho'oponopono and tapping. And any day, any time, just do it. Before doing that, the guidance is first take a sip of water, take few deep breaths, do it. After that, also take a few deep breaths, take a sip of water. And 1 minute alchemist is same. Within 1 minute, you can reduce your stress level just by sipping water, because water is really have healing power. It cleans our aura, our energy within minutes. Just by drinking. And I like to reduce my stress level to 0 and count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a sip of water. Whoever is listening, if you are going through any stress at this point of time, just check the number in the scale of 10 and do this. Only just by saying, I like to reduce my stress level to 0, then count 10 to, the thing is that you have to speak it loud, not in your mind. And take a sip of water, count 10 to 0, then again take a deep breath, drink water, boom. And I did a workshop. A girl was about to go for her surgery, and she, I mean, to meet the doctor, and she did it. Taken that consent that if anything will happen, so you can think about it. It was 6-hour surgery, and it came down to 0. Wow. That was the magical moment for me that particular day. So since then, I guide people to have this magic in their life.
Okay. So you said that 1 minute alchemist is also very, very powerful along with EFT. So
yeah,
could you share a little more about it? Like, if somebody has a issue of public speaking, if somebody has a fear of, facing the crowd or any other stress, can this be used for
yes,
other
the
areas of the life?
yes, any fear, any anxiety, any stress, just be sure what exactly. A lot of time what happens, why they say it is not working, because in their mind they are not very clear what exactly is stressing them. The moment you will find I'm sorry, that this particular thing is stressing me and I like to reduce it, boom, any point of time, any point of the day, it will work. It will work. If not once, you can do second round. Maximum 3 round requires. By far, I know maximum 3 rounds requires. And once the stress level get reduced, then you're able to find out few small steps to take.
Great, great.